back to another video. So today's video is pretty much just part 2 of the nail haul I did the other day, mostly Amazon. Can I just explain something as well? I don't think I explained it in my last video. I'm an Amazon Vine member, which is 90% of the stuff I get from Amazon is sent to me for review. They're not paid reviews, or I think a lot of you know about reviews you get for refund. Yeah, so they're not paid reviews, they're actually sent from Amazon itself. A lot of it is new products that they want reviews for, that kind of thing. So I just wanted to, because I'd never ever heard of Amazon Vine until I got invited to join, so I just wanted to let you know that a lot of this does get sent to me for review, but it's an honest review. It's not going to be a 5-star glowing review because I want my refund. It's none of that. So I will always be completely honest about any of the products that I do show you from Amazon. Anyway, I'm going to get straight into it, and I'm going to start with Aliexpress. I've got a couple of bits from Aliexpress. Right, firstly, from Aliexpress, I ordered myself, I don't know if any of you will have watched a couple of my last hauls, I can't remember which one it was. I got myself a white and a top coat from this company, and I said I wanted to try it, and if it was alright I'd ordered some more, and I was really happy with the white and the top coat for that matter. So I ordered myself quite a few more. Yeah, so these are just colours that I've not really got a lot of. I didn't really have any browns in my collection, so I got myself these 3 browns. I got myself some blues, so there's like a couple of dark blues and a couple of light blues by the looks of it. I got myself them. I think these were about £1.20 each, really not a lot of money. So if they're crap, it's not a lot of money wasted. I got myself a couple of greens, a light green and a dark green. I got a yellow, an orange, a purple, and the last 2 are a pink and a red. So yeah, I will do a completely separate swatch video for those. Let's move them up there. Right, I don't think there is anything from Aliexpress actually. Right, the first thing I'll show you is from Amazon. I bought this myself. It's a dip powder kit. I'll quickly show you what it comes with, and again I'll do a separate swatch video on this. So it comes with your little dipping tray, and it's got a little shelf thing there, and I think that is for when you're trying to do a French dip, I think. So we'll have to give that a try. I've never tried one of these little trays before. Comes with a little itty bitty file buffer. No, it's not a file, it's just a buffer. Another fluffy brush. Gosh, these are building up in my drawer now. It comes with your number 3, which is brush saver. Number 2, which is your activator. So the number 1 is your 2-in-1 base and top. So it's just a 3 system dip one. What I liked about this as well, I think this was only £21.99. I wasn't so much after the liquids and stuff, it was the powders I was after, because all the dip powders I've got, I always kept buying glittery ones, and I wanted just some plain colours, and all of these are just plain colours, which I really liked the look of. So I'll just quickly show you the colours. So there's like a purple and a pale pink. And this is a gorgeous green. It's like a pistachio green. It's a really nice green. And then we've got a perfect red. I haven't got any of these colours at all. That's like a peach. And this is the only, I'd say, shimmery, sparkly one. And it looks like a silver metallic. It looks really nice. There's a couple of purples actually, a dark purple and a light purple. Another very light green, that one. It's a bit lighter than it's showing on camera. That looks like a neon yellow. And then this is a pale blue or a pale grey. It's hard to tell. And that's just a nice Barbie pink. So yeah, I was really happy with that. Like I said, it was just the plain colours that I wanted it for, really. So there's that. Now everything else is from my Amazon Vine. First thing I'm going to show you is these. Right, I'm going to get one out and show you. And it's supposed to be step 1, file. Step 2, remove ridges. Step 3, buff. Step 4, polish and shine. Now, I don't know why I was expecting anything other than a crap product, because every time I've tried one of these 4-step buffers in the past, they've been rubbish. Right, so that's the file that is supposed to file your nails. Can you see how smooth that is? There's no ridges on it. Look, it is completely smooth. Completely smooth. I've got top coat on this nail, and all that is going to do is maybe take the shiny surface off. So all you're going to get out of that, and remove ridges. You're removing nothing with none of this. Absolutely rubbish. So they won't be getting a very nice review from me. And I think they're charging a good few quid for these. So yeah, I wouldn't want anybody wasting the money on them. But yeah, absolutely dog shit. That's the only way I'd describe them. Rubbish. Right. Next. Now, these, oh, I don't even want to tell you the price of these. That's the company name there. Cuticle Nippers. Are you all sat down? $52.99 these were. $52.99. Now, don't get me wrong, they are very, very good nippers. Very good nippers, but yeah, that is a hell of a lot of money. Hell of a lot of money. I really don't see how anyone could justify spending that kind of money on some nippers. Maybe if you work in a salon all day and you keep investing in £10 nippers that keep breaking every couple of weeks, maybe if they are that good, they would be an investment for a salon. But certainly not for any of us girls that are just doing it at home as a hobby. Absolutely ridiculous amount of money for some nippers. But yeah, I got them anyway. I got myself some more tips. I've had some of these before. I've never had the stiletto ones. These are the McCart rip-offs. Macatata. And yeah, I really like these actually because they're not very long. I mean, let me grab you the biggest one. This is the biggest one. They're not very long at all. My thumbs, believe it or not, I've got very skinny fingers, but my thumb nail bed's very big. But let me get you one where you can see a bit better. Like that one. Can you see? They're not very long at all. So I quite like them. I do, I quite like them. I don't know which one I got that out of now. So yeah, there's 500 in there. I like the plastic pot that it comes in as well. It's like oval, like, yeah, it's curved at the top. I really like that. So I got myself some of them. Also from my Amazon Vine, I finally got myself a proper acrylic brush. Let me get it out the tube. This is a Kolinsky number 8, which is perfect for me. I'm not going to buff, oh, I was going to say I'm not going to rough it up, but I've already done it now. But yeah, they do come set with all that gluey, powdery stuff in the top, don't they? I wasn't going to do this, but I've done it now. But yeah, that looks like a really good brush. I'm really happy with that. I didn't want to fork out for a proper brush whilst I was still practicing, but luckily for me, one propped up on my recommended. So I grabbed that. I can't wait to have a go with that. It looks really, really good. So yeah, there's no way I am going to attempt to put that back on now. No way. It can stay in the tube. So yeah, I've got myself a proper acrylic brush. Now these, I actually bought these myself. These are the Pigments, but they are the Aurora ones. I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you the colour proper on camera. Yeah, you can't really see them properly on camera. But like that one's like a pinky purpley one. That one looks like it might have a green tinge. Yeah, you just can't see the colours of them on camera. That's a shame. You can see it slightly on that one. Again, I'll do it like this one's like a goldy coloured one. I'll do a separate swatch video on these. But yeah, I'm dying to try them. I'm dying to try them. They look really, really nice. That's got a purple kind of tinge to it. Yeah, you just can't see them on camera. But yeah, I will do a separate swatch video on them. I also grabbed another Efile. And it's so cute. Look. Little pink one. Again, I'm not going to get it all out. I'll do a separate video on it. But it comes with all that. I think it comes with a load of sanding bands as well, actually. Let's have a look. Yeah, there's a load of sanding bands in the bottom there. Comes in all different colours as well. Obviously, I chose the pink one. But that's all the different colours it comes in. I couldn't decide between these two, pink and purple. But as always, I was swayed by the pink. Let's move some of this out the way. Right, I've got myself some... This is not really nail related. Well, it is if I made a nail palette. This is just all liquid pigments. Oh God, they're pong. They smell like you know when you get really, really cheap shit UV gels from Aliexpress and they've got that strong gel smell? They smell like that. Some of these are like jelly colours and some of them, like them two, look, that's like a really jelly one and that's a really opaque one. So I'm excited to try them. I'm so glad it came with some of these pipettes because I've run out of mine. I need to get some. But yeah, I got myself that. And I've saved the best till last. Oh my gosh. You're all going to die when you see these. And they are so brilliantly packaged. It's a box. Inside a box. And they're all bubble wrapped. Oh my gosh, wait till you see these guys. Oh God. Oh my gosh, look at these. They are genuine Swarovski crystal glass files. Look, it comes in a black sheath. It is beautiful. It's got like a gold ombre into a red and then into a clear. Look at those crystals. Oh my gosh. Oh, they're beautiful or what? Look at the sparkle. Oh my gosh, they are beautiful. So there's that red one. I don't know where to put them. Let me get them out. And we'll put them on top of this box. So that's the red one. Oh, they're so pretty. Then look, we've got a blue one. Look at that one. Oh my gosh. Look at the crystal placement. Are they beautiful or what? My light is really doing them no justice. Oh, they are so pretty. And there's more, look. We've got a green one. Look at the ombre on them. Green one. Oh my gosh. I know somebody that's going to adore this. And there's some more. What colour is this one? Oh, I know somebody that's going to adore this one as well. Blue one. Wow. Oh, so there's two blue ones. Right, so there's like a dark blue one and more of an aqua blue one. They look the same on camera, but they're not. This one's a real kind of aqua blue. Oh my gosh, they are so pretty. Then we've got a purple one. This is my favourite. Wow. Wow, wow. Wow. And lastly, we've got a black and silver one. I like this one as well. Wow, they are stunning. They are stunning. Wow. Yeah, I certainly did save the best till last. Yeah, they are absolutely stunning. I love each and every one of them. Wow. Wow, they are going to get cherished. I don't even think I'm going to want to use them. They are super, super sparkly. Wow. I think I'm going to start doing every week or every 2 weeks, just do a little video on my Amazon Vine products, because obviously I buy a lot of nail related products from Amazon. So on my recommended list is a lot of nail related products at the minute. So yeah, I think I'm just going to keep letting a few products pile up and just do the odd video here and there. But anyway guys, that's going to be it for today. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe. Remember to hit the little bell as well so you never miss an upload. And hopefully I'll see you all in the next one. Take care. Bye.